Avoid, your guide to Australian rock music. We're here with the guys from King Parrot. How are you this evening?
Yes, doing very well, thank you.
Feeling of wellness within me, yes.
What's free trade fuckwittery?
Well, basically us, yeah.
What does that mean?
As in, we'll trade with you and we're fuckwits and listen to our music.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever traded?
Traded? Yeah. I don't know, probably my...
Spiritual soul.
Well, I wasn't going to say that, but I'll leave it at that.
Yeah. Your innocence.
I traded saliva with a man once. We were in Michigan somewhere, and this guy was just spitting on me from the audience, just spitting in my face. I was like, dude. So I grabbed him by the head, grabbed his hair, and he just opened his mouth, and I just went spat in his mouth.
That's really intimate.
We were friends after that. It was pretty cool.
So it's safe to say you've been warmly embraced by America.
Yes, it's been a wonderful exchange of fluids. It's pretty beautiful. Yeah.
What do you think they appreciate about Australia? Because, you know, I think when you go overseas, you almost feel more Australian as well, like being around all this kind of... Yeah.
G'day, mate, how you going and shit?
You're like, what? What?
How you fucking get it, mate?
What are you talking about, dude?
I love your accent.
So you got by pretty well over there. You were embraced, yes.
Oh, we've been there a lot in the last 12 months. I think we've done like 5 tours over there now, so it's been a lot of travel.
And your survival tips?
My survival, shit.
Always laugh at farts. It's a really important thing when you're in a close space. If you bother to get angry, you're fucked. Yeah,
Embrace the art of the fart.
That's a valid thing. I remember like Dillinger were out here. They had Gil Sharon as a drummer for a while, and they're like, that's his most defining characteristic. Incredibly large, like pungent farts, like room clearing.
Yeah, I mean, that shit can easily become not funny if you decide that to be the case, and then you want to go home. I reckon. Like, that's huge. It smells like a dead seagull ate fucking half a rotten chicken. It's awful.
That's what travelling in close quarters with a lot of gentlemen can be like, I guess.
Yeah. The most common word we use in the bus is window.
This is the truth of the glamorous life of a touring international rock band.
Man, you're on tour all the time. You live in the dream. I'm like, well, if smelling other dudes' asses is like living the dream, well, then that's what I'm doing.
That's your dream, buddy. You need to get out more. Seriously.